Hi there! So if you're transitioning to the cloud and would like to take advantage of the Pro Plus features that come with your subscription, then stay here for a short and sweet tip on how to install Office 2016 on your desktop to ensure you take advantage of all the great features and functionalities Office 365 has to offer when you connect with Office 2016. Having these two services connect allows you to easily collaborate and maximize productivity when working with files and working with others on these files. It also ensures that as long as your files are saved into OneDrive for Business or SharePoint Online, you'll be able to access them anywhere and pick up right where you left off, either online or on your desktop. So when we log into our Office 365 homepage, you may notice that there is a button up top here that says Install Office 2016. Before you click that button, however, let's go ahead and click on Other Installs. From here, you'll be able to manage installs on your devices. And with Office 365, you can install this great service on up to 5 devices, which is why we stress that you'll be able to access all of your work from any device and work with full functionalities with the added bonus of this feature. And if you ever need to deactivate Office on one computer and install it on another, you can come back here to make that change as well to ensure only the devices you need have the appropriate software installed. Now, as you can see, not only do you get to install all of Office 2016, but you also get the added benefit of having Skype for Business and the OneDrive for Business Sync client, which allows you to sync all your online files to your File Explorer for quick and easy access offline as well. You can also choose the language as well from the drop-down list here. One thing I do want you to notice is this here as well, which is this link where it says, What happened to Office 2013? Now, prior versions of Office 365 allows you to have the option to either install Office 2013 or Office 2016. So if you weren't ready to migrate to the latest and greatest, you had the choice to be on the previous version of Office. However, you'll soon find that Microsoft is always making some great updates to Office 365 and wants you to be at the forefront of all things new that they release. Therefore, as of today, you only have the option of installing Office 2016. So, once you're ready to install on your device, make sure you either click Install from our Office 365 homepage as we saw in the beginning, or you can come here by either clicking Other Installs as we did, or clicking on your picture in the upper right-hand corner, navigating to view my account, settings, and software. Click Install and follow the prompts to have all your services connected so you can get to working. Thanks for hanging.